Hey everybody, Desert Guardian here, and today I wanted to talk to you about this great care package I just got from Amend2 Mags. Amend2 Magazines makes quality American-made magazines. They're based out of Idaho Falls, Idaho, and they use all their design, parts, manufacturing, and construction is right here in America for some really super sturdy, high-quality magazines. As you can see, they make different sizes of AR magazines. We've got Glock magazines over here, and I'm going to talk about each one. So let's start with the AR mags. So we have a 10 round, a 20 round, and a 30 round. So, you got your standard 30 round capacity. You got some lower capacity ones just in case you're in a state or somewhere where they want you to have some lower capacity. So they do make a magazine for everybody in all different rounds. One thing I love about them is the texture on these things. It's like a no slip tactile finish to it. So not only does it not reflect light at all, but it has a great little grip to it. Love the texture, and it's a high impact polymer, so there's no metal to dent or anything like that. We do have the orangish red super follower here, and this is a 4-way anti-tilt self-lubricating super follower. So for all the super construction geeks out there, that's what the follower is all about in this. Impact resistant, corrosion resistant. Obviously it does have a flared floor plate on it for better grip. But yeah, so that's 10 round, 20 round, 30 round, and those are the Amend2 AR mags. 5.56, 223. Rumor has it they are working on some different calibers, and I think they are making a 308 version as of right now. It is a toolless disassembly. Push in, slide off, rock and roll, and they do have a lifetime warranty on these things. Lifetime warranty against manufacturer's defects and manufacturer's problems and failures and things like that. So it's a limited lifetime warranty, but these guys, they take care of you. They stand up for their stuff. Great customer service over there. So moving along, let's take a look at these 3 mags. This here is an 18 round Glock 17 mag. So it does have a nice little follower on it that makes it easy. Let me see if I can find a pistol to show this off. Bear with me 1 second here. There we go. All right. Make sure we're clear there. So here is a Polymer 80 Glock 34. You got your 17 mag, and it does give you a nice extension on there. Looks great, fits perfect, and is 18 rounds. So it does also have the quick disassembly for cleaning, self-lubricating follower, and a really nice sharp look to it. Fits well. And then we've also got the slightly smaller version. This is the Glock 19 mag from Amend2. Same quality construction. This is a 15 rounder, which is a standard capacity in a Glock 19. It does have a nice curve to the follower here to put your pinky on. Oh, now, see, I should have brought more pistols with me. Let me go grab a 19. All right, clear that guy. So here is a Gen 4 Glock 19, and we've got our Amend2 mag. Drops right in, and you can see this curvature at the bottom is really nice. Puts a nice little purchase on your pinky finger there. I just have medium-sized hands, but if you have large hands, it's still going to have enough to get a good grip on it. But yeah, real nice fit, quality finish, and that is the 19 mag. Now, for those of us who run a deep carry like a Glock 43, they do make a 42 and a 43 mag also. Now, it doesn't have quite the extended mag extension on it, but that's because these are for concealed carry. So this is a 6 round 43 mag, but same lifetime warranty, same great construction that you can expect from Amend2 mags. So yeah, so that's it. This is the ones they sent me here. You can get 42 mags. Like I said, I think they're working on a 308 mag. But yeah, they make a bunch of high quality American made magazines. So check them out. Check out amend2mags.com. I'm going to put some links down below so you can go and check them out for yourself. Appreciate you tuning in for Amend2 Mags. Desert Guardian out.